Hey guys, I'm gonna make a beach buggy racing. It's Insane Gamer 24 here. Let's see what I can do if I get first place. If you can't hear me, my bad, but if you can, just listen. If you can't, just look. This is my car. Right here, as you can see. It's my guy. Okay. I'm gonna race on this one right here. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can get first in this one. I haven't played it yet. These other cars are really fast. Dang. Oh crap, I killed myself. Okay. Ah! Okay, let's see if I can catch up here. No. Stuck in this game. I'll catch up. Don't worry. See, I'm already in third place. Ooh, dead. Oh, someone moved me. Fifth place. Oh, dang it. I'm not gonna win first. You guys can see right here because I'm way behind. So, try to get as close as I can possible. And I got 4. Thanks for you guys watching, taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Just, who cares? Just do it. See you guys next video.